Playtime with Sam and Tam. Sam has a pal. The pal is Tam. Tam has a cap. Sam can tap. Sam can tap on a pan. Tap, tap, tap. Tam is a fan. The pals sat on a mat. The pals can gab. Sam and Tam can gab and tap. Gab, gab, gab. Tab, tap, tap. Sam and Tam can jam. What does Tam have? A. Crab. B. Bat. C. Cap. The answer is C. Cap. What can Sam do? A. Tap. B. Tip. C. Go. The answer is A. Tap. What do Sam and Tam do? And A. Rap. B. Gab. C. Run. The answer is B. Gabby. Ned has a pet. The pet is a fat orange cat. The cat is Ted. The cat begs to get fed. Ned fed the cat ham. The ham is bad. Ted has to get to the vet. The vet has to ban ham. Ted is sad. Ned led Ted to the bed. Ned let Ted get on the bed. Ned can pet Ted. What does Ned have? A. Dog. B. Cat. C. Pig. B. Cat. Where does Ted have to go? A. Vet. B. Park. C. Home. A. Vet. What does Ted get on at the end? A. Rug. B. Lap. C. Bed. C. Bed. Bob and Frog. Bob the hog can go a jog. Bob met Todd. Todd sat on a log. Todd can hop, hop, hop on the log. Can Bob get on the log? Bob cannot get on the log. Bob can get a box. Can Bob hop on the log? Yes, Bob can hop, hop, hop on the log. What does Bob see? A. Todd. B. Pig. C. Cat. A. Todd.